guys, I want to talk about this Forex trading for beginners academy. Man, this shit is real, man. Shit is real. Look, I have been trading for a while, and actually the way I found this guy, I was looking for time correlation, like how time correlation, different time frames, like that. So I put in YouTube, and then different people came. But when I came across this guy's video, man, they were all gems, man. I just looked at his course, and it was crazy because everything was like I've seen it before, but the way he explained, because his kind of trading is more of like Wall Street Academy, Q banks, but he digs deep, more deep, and then he takes you slowly by the hand, and then, man, it's crazy. It is nice. Just go check it out. And yeah, he has a Facebook group, Forex Trading for Beginners Academy. You can also join there, or you can as well start from the YouTube. The full course is there. So, man, this guy, big up to Sadali, man. You are a genius, man. You're a genius. All right.